Blending cards help students segment, blend, and read words in a variety of phonic patterns. This would be a great activity to help your kids learn to spell and read. I found a set online and used Photoshop to change the words. I erased the previous words, made my changes, and printed the cards on different colored paper. Now I will cut them out and use ring binders that I purchased from Dollar Tree to keep everything together. It would also be a good idea to laminate them since they will be used often. There are several sites that have 4 or 5 word cards that are available for purchase. This activity can be repeated as necessary and works as a great refresher for kids who are maybe going into the 1st or 2nd grade. Thanks for watching, and make sure to join me next week.